Hello and welcome back to another video. This week we're doing, or today we're doing the accessories. This is kind of like a bonus video. I thought y'all would enjoy it for the ones that wanted to have all of the instructions on how I did the shoes, the dresses. The only thing I didn't do was hats on here. I did hats, purses, the wigs I did in another video. I did that in the actual doll video, like making the doll, so you at least had the base, the face, and the hair. This is the accessories, so all the shoes, and I just did the shoes and the dress. So if you want more, I might make some more like bonus videos or extra videos like on Wednesdays, but on Saturdays those are like my main videos of what I'm doing that week or what I did that week. Right now I am working on rhinestoning for Saturday, so if you want to know more about that, then make sure you subscribe. I do a lot of different crafts on here. I like to do sewing, crochet, and now rhinestoning. Not really diamond painting. I did one diamond painting canvas and it was cool and all, but I rather just make things sparkle and not make a picture, if you know what I mean. I'd rather just have the different rhinestones and just make everything sparkle. And maybe I'll get into like logos or names and stuff on my tumblers, because I do have an aunt that does sublimation, so I can sublimate tumblers and then rhinestone over them, or at least help her with her business on that. We've been talking because, you know, who wouldn't want a rhinestone tumbler with their name on it? But yeah. And I really wanted to do this video, just one, so I could kind of just tell y'all what's going on, but you know, while y'all watch, or you know, you can always pause, read the directions up in the top left hand corner. But I don't really do a lot of these type of videos because there's really, it's just like putting a pattern on the screen and it's like a crochet along, but I'm speeding everything up. A lot of people that I've seen or that I've spoken with say that they like this kind of content, not necessarily with the narration, but just trying new things, trying to set myself apart from other crafting channels. So if y'all have any ideas, or if y'all want to see different versions of videos, like maybe you don't like this type of video where I just have the pattern in the top left hand corner and I'm rambling in the background, maybe you like having me speak while I'm talking, you know, while we're crocheting, or you want me to go more in depth, because I'm just really trying my best to do what I can with crocheting. But I did learn in this pattern with that you see in the top left hand right now, that you have to, when you're not working in the round, but you are making a dress that is a round shape, or that has ruffles kind of going in a circular pattern to make the dress, you do not want to decrease in the same stitches over and over and over again. So that's why you have single crochet 20 stitches with one decreasing, and then single crochet 15 stitches with one decreasing, and it goes down. So it's like you're decreasing as you're decreasing. It's really confusing, but I kept putting stitch markers. As you can see, I have bobby pins as my stitch markers, and I would decrease and put that stitch marker right there to know where I decreased, but that created corners. So it either creates like a square effect, or it creates like a hexagonal shape to your dress, and you don't want that. You want to decrease in different areas of the dress to keep it circular and to also keep the ruffles. So that is one thing to keep in mind. And then at the top, when I get to the chest area, I just single crochet, no decreasing in the top, and then I did like 4 single crochets, and I chained 10 to make the straps, and then I would single crochet, and then, you know, it's pretty much all of this is just single crochets, and you're either decreasing or increasing stuff. You can work top to bottom or bottom to top. Bottom to top was easiest for me. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little rambling / you know, crochet along / you know, here's the pattern that I used. this is kind of like just a sharing or oversharing my crochet journey or just what I'm doing at the moment. If y'all want to know about the purses or anything else, just let me know. All you have to do is just comment down below. I'm just throwing things out there, just throwing different types of ways to craft and to show y'all what I'm doing for my Etsy shop. Because everything that I do, it does get posted to my Etsy shop. So if you like any of these dolls and you don't want to make it and you just want to buy it, everything's in the description down below. Just go to my Etsy shop or Poshmark. I actually sell more on Poshmark than I do Etsy. But either way, I sell everything in each store. But there is, you know, it is posted in different platforms, so get it while you can, because if my Etsy sells out, then I have to take it off my Poshmark, or if my Poshmark sells out, I have to take it off my Etsy, because the inventory is not split between the two. It is like whatever's in the inventory on each side, that's what I have. So I have 4, it's going to say 4 on Etsy and 4 on Poshmark. So I think I'm just done rambling. I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video, and again, comment down below if I need to do anything else. So I enjoyed making these dresses and these dolls, and I hope I can post them on Etsy as soon as y'all watch this on a Wednesday. So hopefully I'll have it posted by tonight, because I'm filming this on Tuesday and doing this voiceover on a Tuesday, so hopefully I can get it all posted today. I got so much to do, so I'm just gonna stop talking and let y'all enjoy the rest of this video like I said I would. Bye! All right, and there we have it. That is the doll. So the back, I did chain stitches where I chained like 12 and then did 2 extra chains and tightened it into a knot. So that's what's keeping it together in the back. I think when I do the shoes, I'm not going to do the hooks, because the shoes should just slip on, to be honest. They shouldn't have to have this, but that's the whole doll now, and I can't wait. I'm going to make more dresses, more shirts, more shorts, so if y'all want more tutorials on how to make doll clothes, let me know. And we'll do that. But next week's video is going to be a rhinestoning video. I'm going to be rhinestoning my tumblers and showing y'all the process of me learning. So this is one of my old tumblers, so I'm going to use this, but I'm kind of nervous about like this right here, because obviously that's, or I'm nervous about the logo on here, so I need to look at that, because this is a tumbler that is a non-branded tumbler and it has nothing on it. So this is going to be the one that I will sell on Etsy, and there's more that I can buy at the store, so I need to get more if it goes well. So I get stuff out and ready to go, or to be ready for Christmas. So yeah, but I'll see y'all next week. Bye.